Good morning everyone. My name is Deepak Kumar and I am a student of Chauhan tutorial. Yesterday the stenographer 2022 result arrived and I have been selected as a stenographer in grade D in the Ministry of Communications Department of Post. Now I want to talk about this institute, the very talented teachers, and rather than talented I should say experienced teachers. They know each and every bit of every student. They have taught me English. I have been in this institute for one whole year in 2019. Then I started to prepare in my home alone. Now what can I say about this institute? That this institute has given me that sort of knowledge to understand my potential. The way teacher teaches me, the way the two teachers, Rajiv sir and Sanjeev sir, they have taught me maths and English was incredible. This is something which I can immensely say that I am a byproduct of him. Now आप जब इस इंस्टीट्यूट में आते हो तो आप सबसे पहले ये देखते हो कि इंस्टीट्यूट कैसा है, टीचर कैसे। एक जनरल स्टूडेंट हमेशा यही देखता है, लेकिन जब आप इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ना चालू करते हो तब आपको पता चलता है कि टीचर कितना इंटेलिजेंट है, आप कितना ज़्यादा वो आपके बारे में सोच रहा है, और फिर आपको एहसास होता है कि आपको भी अच्छी तरह से मेहनत करनी चाहिए. आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ 1 year only course, 1 year course, just 1 year course, and now in 2022 I have cleared stenographer exams. When I came to this institute, the teachers, Sanjeev sir has already predicted that will get the results very soon, and just because of him I am here today. My second suggestion is that whether you are in whichever institute you are studying, the main thing is to start early. In this kind of field, if you want to go in this general competitive field, if you start early, obviously you will fail early, and if you will fail early, you will get success early. This is what I believe, and this is what I have taught in this Chauhan tutorial. Thank you.